My journey to AFC started back in 2018 December. That's when Dr. Yudi from Bali, my upline, gave me a message and says, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm into stem cells. That's what I've been doing." And he says, "Fantastic. I have a product for you. This product can trigger your own body to release stem cells." Too good to be true, right, gentlemen? So the only way is send me documents, send me whatever clinical trials, and let me study. So after I read the papers, I study it, and I said, looks good. What's the reason that I joined AFC? Because products that can trigger your bone marrow to release stem cells, and this is not a claim, this is with patents. You know, like SOP 100, and then SOP Subarashi, and in Indonesia, they're so lucky they have the Subarashi Gold. Now, this company is amazing, right? From 2 patents to 4 patents, and now 8 patents for Subarashi Gold. And from 3 peptides now, we have 6 peptides. So this is a company that keeps improving the products, all right? Now, the other product that intrigued me was Usukushi Gold 2.0. The first patent, anti-tumor. Now, I am a stem cell specialist. I treat people with MSC, mesenchymal stem cells. So I'm not an NK specialist. In Malaysia, if you want to get NK stem cells, only the oncologist can administer the stem cells to you. So it's very hard for us to treat cancer patients, right? So with Usukushi Go, my success rate with stage 4 cancer patient is amazing. We get more than 80% success rate. Right? For those who want to see the reports, we show you PET scan, CTC, MRI, no cancer cells detected. Most of the patients are 4 to 6 months, like our lady friend from Sungai Petani, right? The results improve after 4 bulan, betul? Very fast and very good results. But the dosage must be 6 sachets per day. Right? I have patients that take up to 9 sachets per day. Alright? This Subarashi and Usukushi really works well on most of my patients.